Growing up Caribbean, it's not for the faint of heart. Saturday mornings weren't for sleeping in. Oh no, they were for chores. And if you didn't wake up early enough, bam! Who sleeps so late? You don't have nothing to do. Then there's dinner. And if your family had it, don't think of asking for anything sweet to eat first. Caribbean parents would hit you with the classic line, "Sweetie can't yam for dinner." Like eating anything sweet could really stop me from eating my rice and peas. And I say sweet because we didn't really have dessert. No, that really wasn't a thing where I'm from. And if you tried going out, they had one question: who you going out with and which part them live? By the time you answer, the vibe's already dead. And let's not forget discipline. Caribbean parents had immaculate aim. Slippers, belt, or even a mango seed, it didn't matter. You could run, but not fast enough. But you know what? All of that made us stronger, more humorous, and more